Good morning all and welcome to Pimpalicious Play of the Day, Wednesday the 3rd of December. I hope you're all doing well. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you all. Just very quickly, yesterday's Play of the Day sort of a bit tedious. We say that on a 60-minute chart timing isn't ultimately necessary, and in these 5 minutes I have to put this out, to record this, and I have to find something just to throw one on. It's not always the best plan of attack, which is why I suggest always starting with minimum stakes. Now here was, I think it was around about this area, was the entry yesterday. The stop loss was behind this resistance line, if you remember, so we didn't actually get stopped out. There was a chance to take a couple of pips. Now, if you didn't take them, it's not looking pretty. It's probably 76. What was we on, about 36.40? So probably about 30 pips out of court on that. I'm not really liking it. I might just leave it on for the slightly longer term. Take half the position off and, I don't know, maybe just let the other half run to 121 or something like that. But it's not looking great. Apologies there, but sometimes we have to have the losers. That's just unfortunate. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try and I'm going to try and get the timing a little bit better. And how I'm going to do that, just an idea I've had, is that if there isn't anything first thing in the morning that stands out, then I'll come back at, let's say, midday UK time, and we'll have another stab. Yeah, so let's have a look today at doing that, because there isn't a lot happening. One I did potentially like the look of, might have been worth a tiny interest, currently trading at 125, is the dollar CAD. Now the dollar CAD, as we know, has been in a big uptrend. We can see that. Yeah, it has crashed and it's slowly recovered. Can you see this thin red line here? Let me just put this on the 4-hourly chart. Should be able to get a better perspective of what's going on. Zoom that in a little bit. So this thick red line here is our daily 20 moving average. And what we've done technically is we've just bounced off that, haven't we? It's trying to fall through, it said hey ho, no, we're not having that. Double top, it's trying to collapse again, and now it's trying to take off again. Not one to get excited about, really. Let me just change the time frame back to the 60-minute time frame. Everything's pointing up. It is having a little dribble. For a cheeky play, on the back of nothing else happening, you might want to have one with a reduced stake with perhaps a 50 pip stop. I won't be taking this trade. There is nothing there to look at today for me. So I'm going to be back at 12 PM UK time, just before lunch, and we'll have a look at some action then. Another one worth keeping an eye out on, if Swissy does start to move up, then we'd expect to see euro dollar moving down. It's not set up for it, so we'll just forget that. Forget I even said that. I'll see you at lunchtime, guys.